Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Before I start, I would like to share some important tips. Make sure to check the quality settings on a YouTube player and set it to 720 or higher. Also, expand the player to full screen. This will ensure a clear view of the code and actions demonstrated in the video. Today, I will show you how to set up a custom saving process in the Stimulsoft Designer for a Python application. Open your IDE with a project folder. Run the project. Click the Save button. By default, the report will be saved using the browser. However, we can change this behavior using the onSave report and onSaveAs report events. Import the necessary modules. We will use the JSON and OS modules. Additionally, import the StiResult class and StiReport event args. First, define the SaveReport function. This function will save any changes to the current report template. Use try except block to handle any errors that may occur. Next, assign this function as an event handler for the designer's SaveReport event. Run the project. Click the Save button. Oops! An error occurred because the report path is incorrect. Let's improve it. Add a double black slash before the static. Save changes and restart the project. Click the Save button again. Edit the template, then click the Save button. Afterward, reload the web page. The report should now display the latest changes. If you found this video valuable, feel free to share it with your colleagues and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. See you next time.